Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do new party quest in Heartopia latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So in the latest update, which is the 3rd of June update in Heartopia guys, you will have a new menu right here. You will see the party menu and you can tap on that, and here you will see a quest. And now you have new party quests that you can complete to earn wishing stars. Okay, I got 3 quests. The first one is joining the current party festival. I've already completed and I got 10 wishing stars. And the second one, joining 3 parties through the party festival. And for this one, I got 20 wishing stars. And the last one, guys, receiving feedback from 10 players in parties. So for this one, you need to create a party and they need to give you feedback, and you need to receive feedback from 10 players. And I'm still working on it. And for this one, we'll get 20 wishing stars. Yeah, I think it's good guys for farming the wishing stars. So yeah, just go to the party menu, select quest, and you need to complete the quest to get the rewards. Okay guys, and that's all about new party quests that you can complete in Heartopia latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.